let's even have this conversation. I feel like a lot of times when it comes to hair loss, excessive shedding, and whatever route by which you're losing your hair, you know, we don't talk about this enough. You know, we want all the quick fixes, we want all the remedies, you know. We go to our hair care providers and we're all about, give me this result, I need this result, but nobody talks about this enough. So let's get into it because I'm going to talk about it. Because hair loss happens during installation and after installation. My name is Leo Kitty, aka Adora, or Adora, aka Leo Kitty, and yeah, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, please welcome back. You're the real MVP, you know. And please, if you're new, just subscribe. You know, share, like, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys are interested in. Today we're going to be talking about hair loss. We're going to be talking about excessive shedding, whatever route by which you're losing hair. I feel like there are a lot of factors, you know, yeah, as important as external factors are in us, you know, having great hair, there's still some stuff we're not talking about internally that are happening internally, and those things can greatly affect our hair, the outcome of our hair. Okay, so please, the weather is really hot today, so forgive me if you see me just doing one or two things. Okay, so the first one is dehydration. A lot of people are dehydrated. I'm in the medical profession, so I know how a lot of people are waiting for the test sensation before they kind of get to drink water and or just hydrate their bodies. So a lot of times we find out that, you know, people are dehydrated, their cells are dehydrated, they're lacking in nutrients and all of those things. So dehydration can cause hair loss.
Dehydration causes hair loss to occur in two ways. Hair can shed or it can break. Shedding occurs when the whole hair strand falls out from the root. A break can occur anywhere along the hair strand. Dehydration causes dry, brittle hair, so it affects both the length and the thickness of your hair.
Nutrients are not getting to them, you know, oxygen is not getting to them easily and stuff. So there might not be a lot of turnover, you know, and the fact that our hair is like, you know, like a turnover from our skin cells. If your skin is suffering, your hair will most likely suffer too. Okay, so it's important that we hydrate ourselves thoroughly. So please do not wait for the test sensation. You can have like a set goals. You can say, okay, maybe I'm going to drink like 4 or 5 bottles of this a day, or you can have, you know, those cans. I'll probably just put a picture around here, you know, that you just have like maybe your 3 liters or something, and just set goals and start from wherever you are. For me, I just don't like to drink. I don't like to drink just water. I also like to incorporate like teas and juices, like healthy juices, not the other type. And I just do that. So please keep yourself hydrated, and you know, those will also address the hair loss from inside. The second one is next to it is poor nutrition. A lot of times we eat a lot of brown stuff like the rice, the yams and stuff, and those things are good. I feel like our body needs carbohydrate, the energy from carbohydrate, but it's also important that we incorporate living foods, a lot of colorful foods to provide the vitamins and all of that, because you know, not everybody is even aware that they should do supplements, which I think supplementation is very important, is very good. But then if you're not at that point yet, or you don't even know about it, the easiest way to get those vitamins that the supplements are promising you is through taking those juices, those fruits, those veggies and stuff, the herbs and all of those things. And that would in turn, you know, feed your cells at the cellular level, like your cells are healthy, they are thriving, oxygen is flowing through your body, you know, and all of that. And in turn help with the outcome of your hair. Healthy hair for me starts from within. Healthy skin for me starts from within. So when you get those good nutrition. You know, you eat a lot of arrays of colors, salads, you know, juices. You can, if you can't handle bulking up of those vegetables, just turn it into juices or turn it into smoothies. Whatever is your vibe, I feel like we need that in our daily lives. Okay, so the third to it is poor hair handling. We're not putting our hair in the hands of people who know what to do with them, especially if you're natural, like, and even if you're relaxed. Like, I know a lot of people that have great relaxed hair, and most times when I ask them, they will tell you that where they go, they'll go to only one particular person, because who knows it is the person who knows it is the person that knows it. You just don't, you know, there's a popular saying on the streets of social media, follow who know road. That is very legit when it comes to seeing the improvement you want to see in your hair. Okay, so you don't just go and sit down just anywhere and let them do your hair. I have a lot of clients that when they come in, they're like, this is the first time they're having this done, or this is the first time they're having this approach towards their hair care. And I'm like, that's because probably where you were going to, they just thought you just come in, they wash your hair and do all of that. They're not even handling it well and all of that. And second to it is poorly installed and uninstalled hairstyles. In the hair care system that I created, I let my clients know that you don't have to uninstall your hair on your own. You come in, we do your treatment and we install, and then when you're ready to take it down, you come back, we uninstall. Because hair loss happens during installation and after installation, like during takedown. So it's important that you also hone in on how your hair is being managed during those two phases. The next one is the fact that a lot of us live sedentary lifestyles. In the era where everybody is a boss of their own, I inclusive, sometimes you just find yourself, you know, you just there, you're not moving, you're not doing, like, the highest moving you're moving is probably from your room to your kitchen, or from your kitchen to your sitting room. And you know, we're always on our phones, so we are fixated on something, but we're not moving. And our body needs to eat, we need to move, and we need to rest. So we need to do all of that to be able to see the hair results. So incorporate little, you know, no matter where you are, just start from wherever you are. You can skip, you can jog, you can dance, just something just to move your body. You can take walks if you live in an environment where you can do that, or you can just register in a gym if that's your vibe. For me, I just love to take walks and I love to dance, because I do the gym thing, but then, man, it takes a lot of discipline to actually keep to it. And all of that, you know. So the next to it is comparison. We like to compare. In the era of social media, it's so easy to just compare your life with another person's life. It's so easy to compare your hair with another person's hair and all of that. But what comparison does is that it robs us of joy, of which that's the next thing I want to talk about. Like, you lose your joy, you don't enjoy the process, you don't enjoy the journey. And the journey is more important than the destination. The process is more important than the goal. Yes, I love to tell people, set a hair goal, have a hair goal, have something in mind. Okay, I'm gearing towards density, I'm gearing towards improved length, improved health, whatever it is. Yes, those goals are very important, but enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey, okay? So find joy in little things. Find joy in just seeing, oh, I came in for my treatment today and my hair stopped shedding. It's not shedding as much as it used to be. No matter how slow or how fast that process is, just do not compare yourself with the next person's hair. I have a lot of clients that come in and they're like, I want my hair to be this thick by December. And I'm just like, all right, ma'am. You know, but understand that this person has been on this journey longer than you are. So just set realistic goals, because when you don't set realistic goals, you're almost setting yourself up for failure. Okay, so keep your mind on the goal. Enjoy the little results. Find joy in the little things. Oh, you know, my hair was breaking, now it's no longer breaking. My hair was shedding excessively. Oh, it used to shed like a big ball, now it's shedding like a smaller ball. It might not be the end result, it might not be the goal, but it's somewhere, you're not where you used to be, right? So find joy in doing those things. The next one is rest. Like I said, you need to eat, move, and rest for you to have a healthy body. You need to rest. A lot of times in the era of social media, where we're constantly on our phone, and I'm guilty of this too, we find ourselves, you know, we sleep late, our sleep cycle, the circadian rhythm of our bodies have been altered, and we're not getting appropriate rest. And guess what? When you're sleeping, your brain cells are multiplying. There's a lot of regeneration, there's a lot of flushing, there's a lot of all those things. So with all the hydration you've given in, with all the food you've eaten, the nutrition and stuff, the real work starts when you take a break. The Bible says night comes when no man should work. There's a reason for that. So you take a break and you rest, you close your eyes, you just, allow God do what he does best, which is regenerating your cells and eventually, giving you the results that you desire. Okay, so let's prioritize rest, prioritize sleep. I'm talking to myself also because a lot of time, but I find that I'm healthier whenever I have good sleep. My hair is also it's healthier when I have great sleep. Okay, so all that I have spoken falls under one umbrella, which is a huge factor in the causation of hair loss in present day generation: stress. From your dehydration, from lack of good nutrition, from poor hair handling, from living a sedentary lifestyle, from the comparison, from your lack of joy, all falls to cause stress to that body. And once your body is under stress, it doesn't fire like normal. It doesn't produce at its optimal level. So it's important that we learn to relax, we learn to take a break, learn to meditate on God's promises, learn to, just have fun, live life. At the end of the day, it's only because you're alive that you even have goals, right? So let's live and enjoy. If you're married, enjoy your marriage. Those things help, because as you're happy in your marriage and your husband is happy with you, you can easily tell him, babe, can you do my scalp massage for today? And he takes over the scalp massage. Guess what? Circulation. Guess what, girl, baby? You're gonna get good hair growth. Okay? If you have kids, enjoy. If you don't have kids yet, be grateful for that too, because it's a journey. Okay, enjoy the time when you have more time to bond with your spouse and all of that. If you're single, enjoy. I can't say this enough. The single stage of life is one of the most important stages of life. You need to maximize your youthfulness. You need to build stamina. You need to build character. You need to build, those things that you will now end up becoming, or whatever. You can even become them as being single. Maximize your youth. It's not the time to nobody has come to marry me. Please maximize it. Okay, that's when you have all these things I'm saying. You can actually just go register in a gym and nobody will be asking you, why are you registering in a gym? Won't men be looking at you and all of those things? Whatever you need to do that as a single. So at every stage in life that you are, enjoy it, revel in it, so that the stress hormones in our bodies can really be at the all-time low. And guess what? Consequently, we're going to see great hair growth, a healthier hair output. Okay, the quality of hair coming out. Have you seen people turning gray? A lot of times people come in, I want my gray hair to disappear. Can you do something? Can you do a treatment? But you can do all that treatment, but it's still coming out. The gray hair is still coming out because the amount of stress in the world today is gigantic, is enormous. So we need to take time to relax. And relaxation, to reduce the stress, we need to be hydrated. So it's like remedy for all that I've already said. We need to ensure that we have proper nutrition. We need to ensure that your hair is being handled by the best. See, cheap is not always the way to go, and I'm not saying that expensive is always the best, but take your time and do your research and find out who is best suited to take care of your hair. Put your hair in that person, because even throughout the stage, for me, I like to say we run a hair care therapeutic system, right? It's not a hair salon. I don't like, for me, it's robbery to call Jeggies Bella for a hair salon, because we love to, when you come in, from the ambience to the staff, the presentation, the relaxation, we massage you, we take care of your hair, we pamper that hair. We want you to leave feeling like $1,000,000, feeling beautiful, feeling good about yourself. And at the end of we know we are doing all of that because those things would contribute to relaxing you so that your body can actually do what it's meant to do. Okay, take short walks throughout the day. You know, please stop comparing your hair journey with another person's hair journey. Your hair is unique. You are unique. You are uniquely beautiful in your own regard. Okay, so just enjoy who God has made you and take proper care of your body, and in turn you would notice that all these things would eventually result to better hair health, less hair loss, less hair shedding, and all of that. So please, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Okay, till we meet next time, give me suggestions in the comment section below.